When you hear no, you automatically think the worst. When you hear no, you automatically think this person's not going to buy from me. They don't want to schedule a demo. We think the worst. Why not? Well, what do we need to do to get your business? Right? And you don't think automatically, reflexively. When you hear no, the first thing out of your mouth needs to be, got it, what's a good next step then? Let me give you a few examples. Hey, so typically, our client, what we like to do is set up a meeting where we can demo all of the software for you, show your people how it'd be helpful. Does it make sense to schedule a demo? No. Got it, what's a good next step then? Yeah, we are just slammed right now with the acquisition. The last thing I want to do is have people come in and watch a demo of something and have my people thinking that this is a maybe situation with the new CRM. No, we are going with the CRM. I don't want to do a demo, I want to buy it. Maybe that's what's going on in your prospect's mind when they tell you no. Okay? Yet we automatically assume the worst when we say, hey, do you want to do a demo? No. Well, why not? What do we need to get your business? Now you reek of a lack in confidence. And that person that was ready to go, now all of a sudden, well, maybe we shouldn't go with this.